Cities with a high population of Chinese residents have seen an increase in the demand for the face masks to protect against the virus. Many are purchasing of masks. As of February 2020, many stores in the United States had sold out of masks. This mask shortage has caused and many increase in the prices. By March, the many cancelled wedding causes bridal shops to convert production to make face masks. Universal universities in the United States have warned about a significant impact on their income due to a large number of Chinese international students potentially unable to attend classes. The Washington Post reported in February that President Donald Trump told advisors that he did not want the government to say or to do anything that might spook the stock market on concern a large-scale outbreak could hurt its re-election chances. On 26 February, the New York Times reported a case in California which Center for Disease Control confirmed as the first possible community transmission of the coronavirus in the United States. On 27 February, the NYT reported delay in the diagnosis of the community transmission case in the California. Later article in the NYT on the 27 February is discussing a whistleblower allegation of the ineptitude of the presidents of Travis Air Force Base near Fairfield, California, and March Air Reserve Base in Riverside County, California, has received possible coronavirus transmitting for diagnosis and treatment the same day. A report by the Goldman Sachs forecast that it believes American companies will generate no earning growth in 2020, wiping out an earning recovery that was expected for the years after lackluster profit reports for the most of the 2019. On 27 February, US stocks were on their way to the largest loss for the week since 2008. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 1190 points in one day. On 28 February, the average dropped below the 25,000 briefly. The Dow Jones ended the week down 12.4%, the S&P 500 index 11.5%, and the Nasdaq Composite down 10.5%. Stock fell to the 18,592 points on 23 March after a procedural Senate vote on the coronavirus economic simultaneous bill failed for the second time in 2 days. On March 7, US stock fell by 7%, triggering a temporary halt in the trading, which was also aided by the 2020 Russia-Saudi Arabia oil price war. On the evening of the 11th March, the National Basketball Association announced that the rest of its season would be suspended indefinitely. A National Collegiate Athletes Association announced that its men and women basketball tournament would be played without fans. The following days, the NCAA initially announced that it would cancel the basketball tournament, but later on that day announced that all championship events throughout all sports would be cancelled until 2020 or 21. Deep South states such as Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana on April 6 that 70% of its reported death of the involved African Americans. It has been acknowledged that African Americans were more likely to have poor living conditions, including dense urban environments and poverty, employment instabilities, chronic comorbidities influenced by these conditions, and little to no health insurance coverage, factors which can all exacerbate these impacts.